fit everything I'm gonna show in this tote bag, and I love to travel super light when I go on tropical vacations in the winter time, and I'll tell you all of my hacks. Hack number 1, wear your straw hat just on your head so it doesn't take up any space in your bag. How can I forget fragrance when it comes to trips? I love to bring a new fragrance to pretty much any trip to tie the memory of the trip to that fragrance, so that next time when I smell the fragrance, I am reminded of the trip. So you've seen a couple of Dossier products in the recent videos, but this is another Dossier perfume. As always, it's got like a card that says all of the note detail, as well as this one is inspired by the Ex Nihilo Fleur Narcotique Eau de Parfum. It's 50 ml, so it's perfect for travels. Also got magnetic closure. Instantly, I'm like transformed into a peony field. I don't even know if that's a thing, but I love the scent of peony and I love woody scents. I'm totally gonna save this to bring to my next tropical vacation, because this is going to need to tie to the best tropical vacation memory. Now that we have the perfume picked, let's carry on with the outfits. This is from Burlook, as well as this really comfortable turtleneck sweater. When I'm traveling, I just want to be extremely comfortable but also layered, so whenever it gets too hot or too cold, I can adjust very easily. And I always wear a denim jacket when I'm going to a hotter place, even when it's really cold where I'm traveling to. Like in New York, it gets to, below freezing, well below freezing. But if you are anyways taking a cab to the airport, like you're not really outside that much, so I don't have to wear the thickest winter jacket. I rather wear something where I can wear in the destination when it gets colder in the evening. The hat, by the way, is also really, really comfortable. Like it's really soft, so you can actually fold it flat if you want to, but I just think it's so cute as a travel outfit accessory. And I like to wear a pair of really comfortable pants instead of leggings, because I feel like pants just look a bit more put together and they take more space than your leggings, so you can roll your leggings and put in your bag, which I will show you. I have a couple of legging options. But if you wear something like a comfy pants, you can also wear them at your vacation destination to pair with your other more summery cute tops. And I always wear a pair of really comfy sneakers on the travel day. When you land, you might want to freshen up and change into a very resorty but also comfortable outfit. Let's start with the hair. This hair claw you may have seen on my bag. This is also from Burlock. I just love the beigey marble print, and I love to just get my hair out of the way, especially in really hot climates as I am, wandering around exploring. I have quite a few of Burlock sets, and this set does not disappoint either. 100% linen, same as pretty much all of my other sets from Burlock, and it is in this beautiful grassy green color. Also, this straw bag that I managed to fold it up and fit in my tote. This is a really cute Prada straw bag dupe. It's got pockets on the pants, as well as like a little drawstring elastic waist as well. The length is perfect. I am 5'3" for reference, and I only will bring one pair of summery flats that can work for the beach as well as just walking around. These are so comfortable, from Tory Burch, and it just goes really well with the rather neutral outfit. If you're doing any morning yoga, this is such a cute yoga set. I love the chocolate brown color. It's so neutral. You can even just wear the green shirt over and use this as like a daytime outfit. It's so comfortable and stretchy as well. And I love the seamless fit of the leggings. Really, really flattering. Now, I pretty much never work out when I am on vacation, so I'm not bringing any workout specific shoes. Actually, I'm gonna wear the green shirt over. Tell me this is not the cutest after yoga breakfast outfit. It is so adorable. I feel like a goddess in this outfit. This is the beach cover up. Now I'm not wearing a bikini underneath, but you can just bring really any color bikini will go with this neutral brown color with a really sexy, cute side slit. The crinkly and the lightweightness of the material really elevates this bikini cover up. I've really not seen a cover up as beautiful as this one, and the sheerness kind of shows off your bikini underneath if you have like a really cute silhouette. And then the straw hat goes with the straw bag. I even just put the hair clip on the side. As you can see, it's really cute on the side of the bag too. I have even got your sleepwear covered. This is also from Burlock, but look at this like luxurious satin finish. The benefit of satin over silk is you can throw it in the wash. You don't have to baby it, but it still gives you a slinky, silky feel. And I feel like this shirt can totally be worn as a day shirt if you want to pair like a pair of shorts or something underneath. And the bottom pants have little ribbon as well as elasticated waistband. Really, really comfortable. I love packing satin pajama sets when I'm traveling because they can roll up into tiny, tiny bits so they don't take up pretty much any room in your luggage. Another buttery soft yoga set. It is so good. Like you can even wear this to like walk around or go hiking or any sort of outdoor activities. The legging bit also has this ruched detail in the front, so if you are eating a big bunch, it literally won't show in the front, which I thought is genius. On the back, this shirt is so cool with all of the cutouts. I can also wear this top with the green pants like this. Oh, this is so good. And I just love the back detail. It just adds more interest to our outfit. The colors go so well because I only pack neutral colors with a little pop. Whatever pop of color you decide, if most of the pieces are in neutral colors, you will always be able to mix and match and really create different looks. I have literally worn this orange set to every single vacation of this year. I love it so much from Burlock as well. And it's also 100% linen, but after so many washes, it's got so buttery soft and breathable. And I really love how the orange pairs really well with the tan of the shirt underneath. And then also the straw bag and the slides. I have this set in white as well as black. I think I wore this orange color the most though. I just love this pop of orange. It instantly gives me the most tropical and summery and cheerful vibes. I feel like everybody needs a set like this in their vacation wardrobe. In order to create more outfits, all you need to do instead of packing multiple outfits is just to pack an extra shirt in a different color than the shirts that you've already packed. So something like this cropped white shirt, it's so, again, summery and vacation friendly, and it goes really well, obviously, with any bottom like this or this, even with your leggings. Also love that my two active sets are in tan and brown, so they can mix and match very well. So you're bringing only a few pieces, but creating so many different looks. You can even wear the bikini cover up as like a just outer layer. Of course, don't forget to wear what you are traveling here with. I feel like this is a great last day outfit when you are really comfortable, but you are
pretty active. Like it's really easy if you want to do one last hike, walk around, and you have all your layers in, you have your big tote to travel back with, and all of these colors again go so well. Because what did we learn today? Pack mostly neutrals with a couple pops of color and you are good to go on your tropical vacation in the colder months.